Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I am Kamlesh Gaikwad and this is my first YouTube video. So in this video we will learn step by step the visualization of graph using Python language. First we have to know that what is graph? A graph is a pictorial representation of a set of objects where some pairs of objects are connected by length. The interconnected objects are represented by points termed as vertices and the links that are called edges. So let's get started the video. For creating a graph, we have to import three important libraries that are NetworkX as NX, import NumPy as MP, and import Matplotlib as PLT. Now, the command for creating the graph is k is equals to nx dot graph. Now, the k is name of the graph. Now we will insert the nodes. The command for inserting the nodes is k dot add node 1. Like this, we can add more nodes to this graph. And node, this one is third node, then this one is fourth node, and this one is the fifth node. We can add as many nodes you want. Now let inserting edges between the nodes. We can use any combination to insert the edges. Edge shows the relation between the nodes. We can insert edges like k dot add edge 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 3 comma 4 4 comma 5 and the last one is 5 comma 2. For visualizing the graph, the function used is nx.drawK, where k is the name of graph. Nx draw capital K. And to show the graph, we will use plg.show. Now we will run the whole command. So as we can see the simple graph on the screen in which the nodes are in blue in color and it is not labeled. Now we are going to add labels for this and change the color of the nodes. For this we use annex.draw, name of the graph K with labels equals to 1, comma, node color y. Here y stands for yellow color. Now run it. Sorry, we have to change the position of this code. Now run it. So we can see that the color of nodes are changed from blue to red, blue to yellow, and also nodes get labeled. We can also create a path of graph using some commands. The command for the path of graph is equals to annex dot path graph to 6. Now we will run it. Here we can see the path tracing for the graph. Now we are going to create a cyclic graph by using the command k dot annex, sorry, k equals to annex dot cycle graph of it. Now we will run it. Here we can see a cycle of a graph here, and we can call it cyclic graph. Closed loop. At last we are going to create a complete graph by using the command k is equals to annex dot complete graph. I will compile it. So here it is a complete graph, a dense graph. Friend, this was the video in which we learned to a graph change the color of nodes, add edges, label the nodes, change the color of nodes, to create a path, to create a cyclic graph, and to create a complete graph. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Press the like button. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.